Thanks for choosing to join us at Southern Union as a dual enrollment student. This video will help you complete the required forms for registering for the Southern Union Dual Enrollment Program. From the Southern Union website, let's first scroll down until we find the Dual Enrollment Registration button. It's this link. Let's click there. That's going to bring up the dual enrollment registration form. You'll notice this red asterisk by each one of the fields. This red asterisk means that it is a required field and you must enter something in each box. First, we're going to enter our full name, starting with our first, then our middle, and last names. We'll enter our email address, our telephone number, you'll see this drop-down menu asking which high school we currently attend. You'll choose from a list of the high schools. There's even an option if you're a homeschool student, or if your high school is not listed, you can just click Other. The next selection we have to make is whether we are a new dual enrollment student or a returning dual enrollment student. We'll show both options, but first let's choose New Dual Enrollment Student. When you choose New Dual Enrollment Student, you'll see this at the top of the page. You'll also see this stop sign. If you have completed the online general admissions application for Southern Union and received your A number, which is your student number, then you can scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next. If you haven't completed the admissions application and do not have your A number, then you will click here to complete an application. The link takes you to our college's general admissions application. Just follow the directions to complete the application and then give us a few days to process it. Once processed, we'll send you your A number. When you receive your A number, or if you already have it, you'll just go back and click Next. First, let's enter your A number. Your A number will begin with the letter A and then have 8 numbers after it. Then let's enter your date of birth by clicking on the calendar and selecting your birth date. Now let us know if you're interested in academic classes, career technical classes, or health science courses. Then you will need to select how you would like to be taught your classes, on a Southern Union campus, online, or on your high school campus. If you choose on a Southern Union campus or online, the same page will appear. You will see both options up at the top of the page. You'll follow the same process for both. First, click here to upload your current high school transcripts. Then, click on this box to upload your completed dual enrollment statement of eligibility form. If you haven't completed this form yet, you can click here to download a copy of the form. Once you have it completely filled out, you can save a copy to your computer or take a photo of it with your phone. Then you go back and upload it again by clicking on the box. Finally, you'll do the same thing for any ACT or Accuplacer placement test scores. If you need to schedule an Accuplacer testing session, you can click here. If you have your scores already ready, you click again in this box and then upload your test scores. Once you have everything ready, you can click on the green Submit My Completed Dual Enrollment Packet. Once submitted, you will receive a thank you email that looks like this. Please give us 3 to 5 business days for your packet to be processed. Once processed, please visit the suscc.edu webpage and select the My SUSCC student portal to register for classes. If you need help, just email admissions@suscc.edu. Now, let's go back and see how to submit if you are a new dual enrollment student, but you are not taking classes on Southern Union's campus or online, but you are taking the classes on your high school campus. You will repeat all the steps you completed before, but at the bottom of this page, you'll select that you are taking classes on your high school campus. The new dual enrollment student page will appear, but you'll notice that it says that you are enrolling in a course taught on your high school campus. You'll do the same steps as before. You'll upload your transcripts. Your dual enrollment statement of eligibility form. And any test scores that you have. Once you've completed those steps, you'll click on the Submit My Completed Dual Enrollment Packet. You'll receive a thank you notification too, but the difference will be that instead of having your packet processed by the admissions office, it will be processed by the dual enrollment office, and they will register you for your classes on your high school campus instead of you registering yourself. If you need help with this process, just email dualenrollment@suscc.edu. So, what do you do if you are a returning student? Let's take a look at that process. You will choose that you are a returning student. The returning dual enrollment student page will appear. You'll enter your A number, your date of birth, and what type of course you're interested in. You'll also choose whether you want to take your classes on a Southern Union campus, online, or on my high school campus. Again, the process for taking a class on a Southern Union campus or online is the same. We'll go through both again. Let's, for right now, choose on a Southern Union campus. The difference between a returning dual enrollment student and a new dual enrollment student is that you do not have to upload your transcripts. You still need to upload your dual enrollment statement of eligibility by clicking here, and you'll still need to upload any testing scores. Once you do that, you can then click on Submit My Completed Dual Enrollment Packet. You'll see the thank you, and just like any other student, new or returning, who's planning on taking classes on a Southern Union campus or online, your packet will be processed by the admissions office. Again, please allow 3 to 5 business days for your packet to be processed. And if you do need assistance, contact the admissions office at admissions@suscc.edu. When you have been notified by the admissions office that your packet has been processed, you will be able to register yourself for your classes. For returning students taking classes on their high school campus, you will select this option at the bottom of the page. You will upload your statement of eligibility and any test scores. Again, returning students do not need to upload their transcripts. Once you've uploaded everything in your packet, you can click on Submit My Completed Dual Enrollment Packet. The thank you confirmation you will receive will be unique to a returning student. So again, instead of having your packet processed by the admissions office, it will be processed by the dual enrollment office, and they will register you for your classes on your high school campus instead of you registering yourself. If you need help with this process, just email dualenrollment@suscc.edu.